At eSlide, we specialize in creating PowerPoint presentations that get results. Hundreds of slides like this pass through our inbox each day, slides that show and represent important information but have little or no visual value. Here at eSlide, we enhance the visual value of a slide like this. With a quick visual enhancement, it is now easier to communicate prescription drugs being a small portion of the nation's healthcare dollar. We first formatted to a good template and then placed emphasis on prescription drugs by using color and line thickness. Let's increase the visual value even more. As a polish, we removed the legend at the bottom and moved the labels to the lines. We also created percentage callouts and added a gradient with an icon. Let's enhance this even further on the next slide with a complete visual makeover. This makeover is a glance and get it visual. Everyone now quickly understands that prescription drugs are a small portion of the nation's healthcare dollar, and they remember that key point when they leave the meeting. eSlide specializes in PowerPoint presentation design. We don't just make pretty pictures, we deliver results. We turn your content into clear, effective, and captivating business presentations. Together, let's make the most of your business opportunities and deliver the results you need in your critical meetings.